Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2016 CSAT question number 13 from question paper series A. There are 5 hobby clubs in a college: photography, yachting, chess, electronics and gardening. The gardening group meets every second day, the electronics group meets every third day, the chess group meets every fourth day, the yachting group meets every fifth day and the photography group meets every sixth day. How many times do all the 5 groups meet on the same day within 180 days? So here it is given that on second day gardening group conduct their meeting, then on third day electronics group conduct their meeting, then on fourth day chess group conduct their meeting, on fifth day yachting group conduct their meeting, then on sixth day photography group conduct their meeting. So likewise 180 days we have to see, then how many days all these five club together conducting their meeting on the same day. That is what we have to find. Here we can see on sixth day photography, gardening and electronics are conducting their meetings. The same way, when all these 5 group gardening, electronics, chess, yachting and photography will conduct their meetings on the same day, then how many such days will be there if we are considering 180 days? That is what we have to find. Okay, so how we find that? Here it is given that gardening club meet on every second day, then electronics club meet on every third day, chess club meet on every fourth day, yachting on every fifth day, and finally photography group conduct their meeting on every sixth day. If we are finding the common multiple of all these 5 within 160 days, that many number of days will be there where all these 5 group conduct their meetings on same day. That is, we have to find the common multiple. How many common multiples are there for this set of number in 180 days? So for that, first we find least common multiple. For that we use prime factorization technique. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to do the prime factorization of these numbers. So for that, first we use the prime number 2. We are just factorizing all these numbers to prime numbers together. So first I considering 2. This is the lowest prime number. Then 2 ones are 2. Then there is no 2 in the 3 is not exactly divisible by 2, so I write 3 just as it is. Then 2 2s are 4. 5 is not exactly divisible by 2, so I just write this 5 as it is. Then 3 2s are 6. Again I will consider 3. Then 1 3s are 3. It is not exactly divisible, so I write as it is. 5 also not exactly divisible. Then 1 3s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So again I am just dividing with 2. Then 1 5 1. Again I am dividing by. Then I am dividing by 5. Then 1 1 1. And I do this procedure until all the numbers in the last row become unity. Then to find LCM, just take them, multiply all these divisor here, then we get, to find the LCM, 2 into 3 into 2 into 5, we get 60 as LCM. So that means on 16th day all these club conduct their meeting. Then again after 16 days, on 120th day they all conduct their meetings on same day. Again after 16 days on 180th day they will conduct their meeting. That means in 3 days within this 180 days they will conduct their meetings on the same day. Otherwise we can find simply by 180 divided by this LCM, that is 180 divided by 60, we get 3 days. Our answer is option D, 3. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.